What's going on, everybody? And welcome back to This Is Cooking with Mafia, Midnight Snacking Edition. So I decided to make a sandwich. So let's see what I have on deck right here. That is half of a avocado that I mixed with some of the sauce that I have right here as a spread. We have American cheese, pepper jack cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, red onion. For my dressing, I will be using Caesar dressing. We have some baby spinach right there that is pre-washed. We're going to be using ham. This is taco seasoned chicken leftover. That is bologna and spiced salami. That's pepper spice salami, that is. We have honey oat nut bread right there, a pickle, and as always, let's make a sandwich, baby, baby. Okay, we are going to start with our avocado and mojo chili lime spread. Gonna get that there. There we go. Now, if you want to use mayonnaise or add some other ingredients, as always, by all means, you shall do that. Okay. Just gonna have the rest for me. That's yummy. Okay, now we are going to add our lettuce. Gonna add our red onion or onion. You don't gotta put a lot. Like I said, it's how much you want. I like a lot. There we go. Now we are going to add the American cheese. There we go, there we go. Okay, now we're going to add pickle. Not pickle. Tomato. Silly me. Tomato. Okay. Gonna add some of the baby spinach that was pre-washed already. Grab a few more of these leaves right here. There we go. I like baby spinach. Good. Good for you. Alrighty then. Now, for our meats, we have our bologna or bologna. Now, normally, I fry the bad boy. But, there he is, ladies and gentlemen. My co-host, as always. So, like I was saying, I would normally fry this up, but for this case, we're just going to do it like that. There we go. And I know some of you are saying, that's a big sandwich. I know. You know, but sometimes you got to treat yourself. Okay, we added that. Now we're going to add our ham. There we go. And last but not least, forgive me for using my fingers. I washed my hands. I'm going to add some of the chicken on there. He's enjoying himself as always. Alright. Now, I don't want to add too much. Start spilling over, but you know, it's a midnight snack, so you gotta treat yourself, like I said. And just wipe my hands real quick. Okay. Gonna take our Caesar dressing. Oh, look at that. There we go. All over the place. Alright. Gonna spread this around here. Let me just add a little bit more. Here we go. Spread this around again. Alright. Get a shot right there. Everything. Okay. Give me one moment to slice it in half, and the final results will be coming right up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is the final results of This is Cooking with Mafia Midnight Snacking Edition. We have our sandwich right there. I will list all the ingredients in the description. Let's get a look at the inside. A very nice boom boom boom. We have our homemade pink lemonade right there. And as always, please go check out Cooking with Mafia Gaming. And as always, please have a good night. Have a safe night. Peace, everybody. Nummy num delicious.